Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can resolve the issue of authentication servers are currently not reachable in Minecraft. You can follow these steps. Begin by pressing the Windows button plus E to open the File Explorer, navigate to your local disk, typically C. Inside the C drive, locate the Windows folder. Search for System32 within the Windows folder. Access the drivers directory. Inside drivers, find the etc. folder. Look for a file named hosts, then double-click it. You'll see a prompt asking how to open the file. Choose a program like Notepad for simplicity. The file may not match the desired appearance. Delete the last two lines if they are present, and ensure the file resembles the expected structure. Save the file after making the necessary changes. By adhering to these steps, you should be able to fix the authentication servers are currently not reachable issue in Minecraft. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.